Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1422, maximum score after splitting a string. Given a string S of zeros and ones, return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substring, that is left substring and right substring. The score after splitting a string is the number of zeros in the left substring plus the number of zeros in the right substring. Okay. Let's see the example. 0 1 1 1 0 1. All the possible ways of splitting S into two non-empty substrings are 0 and 1 1 1 0 1. So the score will be 1 plus 4 equals to 5, as there is 1 0 in left and 4 ones in right. Okay. Now let's read second. 0 1 and 1 1 0 1. Okay. So this will be 1 and this will be 3. So similarly all other combinations, and the highest value is 5. Okay, now let's discuss our approach. What we need is the number of zeros in the left and the number of zeros in the right. So left one we can maintain while iterating only, but difficulty is for right, number of ones in the right. Okay, so what we will do is we will take a variable number of ones and we will calculate all the total number of ones present in the string. For example, for given this is 4. So now we will start iteration and we will check whether our current element is 0 or 1. If it is 0, then we will increase the value of counter, that is counting number of zeros in the left. Okay, by 1. Initially it was 0. Let's say it as a, and this as, sorry, this as b. So initially it was b equals to 4 and a equals to 0. Now let's start iteration. We will check whether our current ith element is 0 or 1. If it is 0, then what we will do, we will increase the value of a. If it is 0, s box of I equal 0, then we will increase value of a. And if it is 1, then what we will do, we will decrease the value of b by 1. So, and for our answer we will maintain answer equals to max of answer. Okay, which will give us our answer, and that is having the maximum value. Okay, now let's see, let test this logic on the example. So basically here what will happen, a will become a will become 1 and we will having b equals to 4. So total it will become, answer will become 5. So similarly in this, a will become 1, and as we are getting 1, so b value will decrease, so b will become 3, but our answer will remain 5 only, because 1 plus 3 will give 4, and the maximum among 5 and 4 is 5, so answer will remain 5 only. Now let's check for this. A will become 1 and b will become 2. Similarly for this also, a will become 1 and b will become 1. Here a will become 2 and b will become 1. Okay, we need one more thing, that we need to run till the second last element, because we have to split in non-empty set, so we cannot run till the end of the string. So let's code it. I need a variable int c of 1 equals to 0 for counting number of ones. If it is 1, then I need c1 value to be increased, and now I need a value answer with int underscore min and a value c0 equals to 0. For int I equals to 0, I less than s dot length, sorry, s dot size minus 1, because at least one element should be present in the each substring, so we cannot iterate till the end, otherwise left string will be having all the characters of string, and right substring will be having only null character. And we will check if s box of I equals to 0, then we'll increase the value of c0, else c1 minus minus, and answer will be max of answer, comma, c0 plus c1, and we need to return answer. Now let's check it. Okay, now let's submit. Okay, it got accepted. Now let's analyze the time complexity. The time complexity for this is O of n, where n is the length of the string, okay, and the space is for space complexity is O of 1, because we are using only three variables, that is extra, one for counting number of ones, and one for counting number of zeros, and one for maintaining our answer. That's all everyone. Thank you. Do like and subscribe.